Hello, good day everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. According as per the request from one of your friends, here just to develop this model. Maybe it may help you in uh, in developing the model correctly, or you can have developing this model. But here I going to just highlight show you uh, the way how to develop this part. So from this drawing, as you can see, is you can see this is a 3D, I mean the 3D solid model, as you can see here. And these are the drawings. So this is the front view. This one is a sectional view, as you can see here. With the section, it is sectioned along this line. You can see the AA section is here. So according to this dimension, we try to develop the 3D model. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is actually you need to understand the model. Actually, you need to a bit investigate. You can see here that the overall diameter, as you can see, the overall diameter is 300 and the overall length is 200. So what we are going to do here is that before I go to the CATIA modeling, so the thing is you just draw this one. You just create a section, I mean this view, the half section of this, half part of this, and then you are going to shaft it around this axis, right? So you just draw this part and then you shaft it along this axis. So let's start with that. Let's move on. So this is you just go to just mechanical design, part design, as you know. So let's call it like it's a base support one. Okay, so just okay. So you can see here the modeling window. As you can see, you just choose the XY plane, as you can see here. You chose and you move to the sketching workbench or the sketch workbench. So as we have discussed before, CATIA solid modeling or 3D modeling is based on sketch-based modeling. Okay, so let's start with. So what we have to do is that let's draw this one, just a rough drawing. You just start, for example, maybe we can start from here, just go like this, all the way we can go. So in our model, as you can see here, you can see it's symmetric. Basically it's symmetric. You need to check with the measurement unit is a metric. Of course our model is also a metric, so you can start on. So I may use a polyline, okay, or the profile line icon. So just click here. So I just click from here, and then maybe I have to go here. It's around the vertical axis is basically it's around 200. So it's around 200. You can see here. So from here to here, as you can see, it's 200. You go here. So what is this one? So until here is half of 70, right? So it's 35. You go here, go down all the way. You just draw this part and you just revolve it. So let's just go here. So this one is half of 70, 35, around 35. You see here. So you just go here. You just move here. So because you just you see, go down. I go down. How much I go down, it depends, and depends on the dimension, you see. So you see here, so I just click here, some angle you can have. So you click here, the tangent curve, you see, yeah, this is a tangent curve, and you go straight here, yeah, go straight here, and then you go straight line up is around 15 mm, yeah, 15. So you just move here, you do the sketching, you know. And here what you can see is I'm not we may not constrain it here. You go straight, and we come finally here. So this is just a draft, you know, just a sketch. What is the good thing about CATIA is that you just draft and you can edit all your drawings. Okay, so let's measure, and then so this one is basically, so how much is it? It's 200, right? So the height is 200, as you know, and the distance between this, yeah, let's do it. And again, the center distance between this one is, how much is it, the inside? As you can see, this one is 50, so this one is 25, right? So here 25, as you can see here, this is 25, and the distance, what about this? This one is 70, I think, yeah. So it's 35. So here, from here to here is 35. See here, 5. What about the depths here? From here to here, I hope you can see here these depths. So what he's saying is this is 50 through, and this one is 70. Then the depth is 12. Yeah. So the depth is 12 here. We can measure here. So this is 12, as you can see. Yeah. What about this one? This one is, let me measure this first, from here to here. So that one is, I think, yeah, this one is, I think, as you can see here, yeah, until the outside. Well, the outside is 100, so it's 50, as you can see. So it's going to be 50, right? Okay. So what you have to do is maybe we move it here. So I think yeah, it's just, you can move it here. Yeah, yeah. So until the model becomes okay. So what about this depth, this height from here to here? We need to determine that one. From here to here is, as you can see, 127. So okay, just 127. Just measure from here to here up. Measured here. So from here to here is 127. So you can see here, what about this angle? This angle is a vertical one, as you can see here. This angle, what you can see is this angle. So here, the angle is given 2.5. From the vertical is 2.5. Right. So yeah, it's 2.5. Okay. So the draft angle, yeah, the draft angle is 2.5. Okay. So how much would it be, the angle with this vertical? With this vertical, this angle will be this one will be 90 plus 2.5, 90 plus 2.5, 92.5, I think. So this angle with this vertical is yeah. So anyway, so this angle with this one, yeah, is going to be, yeah, 2.5. Is it 2.5? No, no. This one is actually 92.5. 92.5. So from the vertical, yeah. Let's see. So the angle is basically is vertical here. So from here to here, it's a draft angle. This part is a draft angle. So how much is that? Is uh yeah, yeah. I think never mind. So this one is so the measurements. We really need to understand the measurement. Uh, okay, 2.5 anyway. 2.5. The angle is yeah. This is the angle. So you can see here is 2.5, and the other one is yeah. So these two, this one is tangent, and this line control this line go to relationship. They have to be tangent, so they have to be tangent. This line has to be tangent, and at the same time, this curve is how much is it? Radius. So yeah, how much is it? Radius 8. Yeah. So it's going to be radius 8, as you can see. So it's radius 8. Angle. Okay, the angle is basically uh, yeah. Okay. So what about this thickness? I think we didn't go for this one. So let's measure this one, the overall length until here. How much is it? It is 150, as you can see. It's 150, and this one is, I think this one is 15, right? So this one is 15, right? Yeah, I think this one is yeah, it's 1.5, as you can see here. It's 1.5. So let's do this. I mean the drafting. So one important thing is these two lines should be parallel. So we just measure this. I mean this select, control this, so this, and the relationship should be, they should be parallel. Yeah, they should be parallel. Yeah, as you can see. But the thickness, how much is the thickness? You see this thickness all over is uniform, so it's going to be 23. So let's measure the thickness here. So it's going to be 23. Yeah, see, it's 23. The problem now is how much is this distance? This distance. So you cannot see. So here you don't have any information about that. So what you do is based on this model, you just we can approximate it. So as you can see, this one is 250. 250. This one is 250. The overall is 300. All right. This is the center, I think. This is the center. So basically we assume this one is at the center. Okay. So so yeah, we determine this one. We determine this one. So is how much is this one is this 300 is 50 50, so 250, this one around 200, I think. Yeah, we can take this one around 200, right? Minus 50 plus 50 is going to be 200. Yeah. Yeah. So right, so this one is 250, this one is 300. So what should be this one? This most probably this one is the case. Just we assumption, you know, just we assume this one should be as a center. We assume this one is a center, you know. So maybe we just we can put like 100, yeah. We can put this one 100, okay. So because it's not given, so we assume, all right. So what we can do is we just measure here. So from here to this one is going to be also 100, okay. Yeah, 200 maybe, if you assume like that. Yes. So we have here this is 23. Yeah, one problem here is, yeah, how much will it be? This one is this distance. We can determine this distance, right? So how much should it be, right? So I think from the drawing what we can do is just we can add is yeah, this diameter from here to here is not given. Yeah, it's not given. So anyway, what we assume is it's almost 70, maybe 35 from this center to this is. Let's assume it's 35, right? So 35. So let's measure from this center until this one is 35. Yeah, just 35. Yeah. So we have here, here we can see that. Okay. This center should be like it can move, or it can be moved down. We can fix it. We can fix it. Yeah. From here, what is it? Anything given here? Yeah, there is no any information here. Also, it's just yeah. Let's assume, you know. Let's assume, you know, because this is this part is not much important. So we just assume actually, yeah. So maybe if we give this height, it will be fixed, you know, it will be fixed. This one is distance is given, or yep, yeah, it's moving, yeah, it's moving. So let's assume it's around here. Yeah, so this one is 23. I hope this one is 23, and tangent. What else is not given? Okay. Right here. Yeah, this is yeah, this angle is 2.5, of course. So this height can be fixed, you know. You can fix it anyway. It's just we can measure. I'm not sure if we have. Let's make it standard. Okay, so 95. Okay, so let's make it standard 95. So this is just the overall sketch, right? So let's change this one. I think we don't need this one. We just trim this one, as you can see here. Yeah, this one also should be construction line. I think, yeah, it should be construction line. Huh? Should be construction line, right? So yeah, so maybe this 200 is we really, yeah, is becomes, yeah, let's sorry, undo. Yeah, we don't have this line. So what we do is we don't have yeah, this one is 200. Yeah, as you can see. uh, so yeah, because I just changed it, okay, because I changed it, so that's why it becomes like from here to here. I should measure all. I should use 127. So yeah, I'm not sure what 127 is off. I think, yeah, from here to here is, yeah, 127. So that's why it becomes wide. So we finish the sketch. So we have here our sketch. So what we do is along this line we just revolve it. I mean, we just shaft it. So we exit the sketch, as you can see here. So there is a shaft here. We just shaft it, as you can see here. So the thing is, you need to choose the axis. Here's the axis of revolution here. So the axis of revolution is here, as you can see. Sorry, so this is a sketch. So this is the axis of revolution, as you can see. The axis, this is the vertical line. So if you have like this, you just say it okay, right? As you can see here, we already developed the body of the plate. So once we develop this, yeah, so it will be you can have such a model. So the next one is actually what we are going to do is, after modeling this one using the shaft, we have to model this part, this extended part here, this from the top, or you can see this one. So how would you do that? So you can see here, from the center, you need to draw this profile from the center, 80 mm distance, and you need to extrude it. You need to extrude it to this part, to this surface, junior surface, and you will get such kind of structure, extruded structure. So in our next, after doing this one, so our next activity will be we model these parts. Okay.